Good evening. Well, technically it's morning actually. But I thought that I would, make a YouTube video about a topic I haven't really been making videos about for a while. While I've been trying on some new clothing, and I figured that I really should be making more videos on this. I sort of got a little bit burnt out from making these videos, which you guys, I imagine, probably figured out that I got burnt out by it. But without further ado, I figured that I would discuss this. Now, this is all secondhand information. I haven't actually gotten to see the court case between Jordan Shanks and John Barilaros, but apparently it was live earlier today. I just happened to miss it. And I figured that what I would do is discuss what I've been told by people who did happen to get to see it. Apparently the biggest issue with the case has been parliamentary privilege. The main meaning of parliamentary privilege is on the screen right now, but essentially it is powers that allow certain things that happen within Parliament House to be concealed, basically, to dumb it down. But because of this, a lot of the material that was used in the defense was apparently made redundant. Some people have even implied that the judge was acting as if that they were an annoyance or a bit of a burden to the court case, and the judges actually ordered Jordan to pay John Barilaros' court fees. Now, luckily enough, recently, from what I understand, Covenant has put in $1 million into the fund, so there's plenty of money. And not just that, there's been a call for YouTube to partake in the court case, which apparently YouTube is actually going to be stepping up. So I think that that's worth being aware of too. Obviously we'll have to wait and see, but I think that we really do need more people to talk about this. I'm still researching the idea of, because I am doing Twitch now, obviously. I've made the last few videos about Twitch, but I've been doing Twitch, and I sort of want to see if I can talk about it there, because I'm not sure of what the rules are, and I do have an idea for a big project, but I'm just gonna figure it out. But hopefully that would bring more light to this situation, and I think that, in all honesty, the biggest issue here isn't just even that it's John Barilaros, but the fact that it really does feel like that the powers that be, when they're versing the little guy, the powers that be who make the rules can make the rules to suit their agenda. And I know John Barilaros doesn't make the rules per se, but it really does seem like if it's a government body, there are certain protections going on. I mean, we saw it with Gladys last year, how with her partner, or her boyfriend, 3 boyfriends ago, but it really does seem like that there's an unfair advantage when it comes to parliamentary members, and I think that that shouldn't really be the case. I mean, I guess they are doing a good deed in terms of running the country, but is it really a deed when their bank accounts are so heavy? And I think that realistically, if we look into it and strip down each person besides their job roles, any person can be corrupt. And so I think that any form of corruption laws should be able to be applied. But the fact that there's this parliamentary privilege that is allowing certain things to be concealed is kind of concerning. Anyway, I guess I'll leave it at that. Apparently the biggest issue with the case has been parliamentary privilege. Now, apparently the biggest part